was 58 years ago when I started telling you, I can only give you love that lasts
You're
forever.
just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
Darling,
At long last,
honey,
love has arrived.
whatever,
And
you're
I
simply
thank
dad to
God
me.
I'm alive.
You are my
You're
strength,
just too
my
good
rock,
to be true.
my Iron Man,
Can't take
my
my
Enrique
eyes
Hindi,
off you.
my everything.
Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of
My message, my prayer actually, is for them to have long, healthy life and more anniversaries to come. And I hope and I pray that all of us will be there to share the beautiful moments in their life.
Marriage is a sacrament. The meaning of the word sacrament is what? Sacrament means a symbol. It's a symbol. It's a symbol of God's love for us and our love for God. That's what the sacrament of marriage is. Ang pag-aasawa ay isang saksi sa pagmamahal sa atin ng Diyos at pagmamahal natin sa Diyos.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your...
Today we are blessed to celebrate a milestone in our life. 50 years as husband and wife in the eyes of God, family, and friends. I never imagined myself being married since sa lahi namin maraming naging matatandang dalaga. However, I made a choice since they say marriage is a gamble. So I did gamble and won him.
True enough, with God's blessing, as well as Virgin Mary's blessing, we are able to raise a good family with 4 kids and 4 beautiful apostles. We have comfortable living and working company. All these things were achieved because of our true love with each other.
Need your love, God, speed your love to me.
Reaching our 50th anniversary with flying colors is a very big achievement on our part. Thank you for your big brave heart and prayers.
Today, Dad, you have fulfilled your goals. Your hard work paid off well. A business that gives a comfortable life for us. Your 4 lovely children. All accomplished, and that we are proud of.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch.
Your generous heart to a fault extends to both of our families, friends, and other worthy cause. Thank you.
Your trust and confidence makes me inspired to achieve and work and work and work.
Thank you for the sadness we have faced together. The many ups and downs as we started our married life. The many struggles we have overcome, periods of sunshine and of shadow, through which we have come to today.
Thank you, Mommy, for your loving support. I will cherish your love forever. I love you very much. I love the 4 kids.
Let's create more happy memories, and in God's grace grant that for us it may be true. The best is yet to come. I love you. Salamat.